Imagine waking up one day to find a clone of yourself. Not a flesh and blood twin, but a virtual version that knows everything about you. What you eat, how you sleep, even the weird way you tap your foot while thinking. Congratulations, you've just met your digital twin. This isn't some sci-fi fantasy or a plot from Black Mirror episode. Digital twins are already here, and they're more common than you think. But what exactly are they? How are they used? And should you be worried that somewhere out there your virtual replica is busy making decisions for you? Let's find out. What is a digital twin? A digital twin is a high-tech virtual replica of a real-world object, process, or even a person. Think of it like a supercharged avatar, but instead of just looking like the real thing, it acts, thinks, and evolves based on real-world data. Big companies, hospitals, and even city planners use digital twins to monitor, test, and predict outcomes without risking real-world disasters. It's like a virtual test drive for reality. And before you breathe a sigh of relief thinking this only applies to machines, surprise! Digital twins are already tracking you, your habits, and maybe even that last night snack you promised yourself you wouldn't eat. Where are digital twins being used? Hint: everywhere. You might not realize it, but digital twins are sneaking into almost every part of modern life. Here are just a few places they're showing up. Manufacturing and industry. Factories create digital twins of their machines to predict breakdowns before they happen. Think of it like a mechanic that never sleeps and never guesses. Healthcare and medicine. Doctors use digital twins to simulate how a patient might respond to treatment. In the future, you might even have a personalized health twin helping doctors find the perfect treatment just for you. Smart cars. Your car isn't just driving you around. It's constantly creating a digital twin that predicts maintenance needs, warns about potential breakdowns, and probably wonders why you never change the oil on time. Smart cities. Entire cities have digital twins that simulate traffic patterns, energy use, and even crime hotspots to make urban planning smoother. Basically, it's like The Sims, but with real buildings and people. Your smartphone and wearables. Your phone and fitness tracker are quietly building a digital twin of your daily habits, from how often you check social media to whether you really got those 10,000 steps in today. Should you be worried? Now that you know digital twins are practically everywhere, you might be wondering, should I be concerned? Well, that depends. Privacy risk. Your data fuels digital twins, which means companies know a lot about you. How they use that information depends on how much you trust them. Spoiler: read the fine print. Security issues. Since digital twins rely on real-time data, they can become prime targets for hackers. If someone hijacks a digital twin of, say, an airport security system or a self-driving car, things could get messy fast. Ethical concerns. Who controls your digital twin? What decisions can it make on your behalf? As AI and digital twins become more advanced, these are serious questions we'll need to answer. Final thoughts? Friend or foe? Digital twins are a powerful and game-changing technology that can improve efficiency, safety, and even save lives. But like any new tech, they come with risks. Staying informed, Demanding ethical use and keeping control of your own data are the best ways to make sure your digital twin doesn't turn into your digital enemy. For now, your digital doppelganger is probably harmless, but if it starts ordering pizza behind your back, it might be time to worry. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.